Guys, quick question. Are you a caregiver? A nurse assistant? Or someone already taking care of people back home? Then don't scroll. Don't sleep on this. Because what I'm about to show you is one of the most direct pathways to Canada in 2026, specifically for people in the care sector. Canada is actively hiring foreign caregivers, support workers, and nurse assistants. And not just hiring. Some companies are ready to sponsor you. This is not general immigration talk. This is targeted, strategic immigration. So if you have any care experience, even if it's informal, this video is for you. Why is Canada even looking for you? Simple. They don't have enough care workers. More elderly people, more patients, more demand. But fewer workers. Guys, this is your advantage. Because in many countries, care work is underrated. But in Canada, it's in demand, respected, and well paid. Mind-blowing difference. Now let's get into the jobs and how much you can earn. 1. Personal Support Worker, PSW. Salary, $2,500 to $4,000 per month. Duties, bathing, feeding, assisting elderly. 2. Home Child Care Provider. Salary, $2,200 to $3,500 per month. Duties, babysitting, home support. 3. Nursing Assistant. Salary, $3,000 to $4,500 per month. Duties, support nurses in hospitals. 4. Disability Support Worker. Salary, $2,800 to $4,200 per month. Duties, assist people with special needs. 5. Live-in Caregiver. Salary, $2,000 to $3,200 per month plus accommodation. Now, let's get into the 6 care companies in Canada that are known for hiring foreign workers. 1. Bayshore Healthcare. One of the biggest home care providers in Canada. They offer personal care jobs, nursing support roles. They regularly recruit caregivers and sometimes support international hiring. Tip: check their careers page often. New roles drop frequently. 2. SE Health, St. Elizabeth Healthcare. This one is huge in community care. They focus on home care, rehabilitation, elderly support. They also invest in training workers. Meaning, even if you're not perfect yet, they can help you grow. 3. Extendicare. They run long-term care homes across Canada. Roles include care aides, support workers, strong reputation. And yes, they've hired internationally before. 4. Chartwell Retirement Residences. This is more premium elderly care. They hire care assistants, support staff, good environment, structured system. Perfect if you want stability. 5. PRMD. This company focuses on home health care. Meaning you'll visit clients directly. They hire personal support workers, caregivers, flexible work style. 6. Comfort Keepers Canada. This one is very popular for caregivers. They specialize in In-home care. Companionship roles. This is ideal if you already have experience caring for people. Guys. These are not random companies. These are real employers in the care system. Now let's talk about you. Do you qualify? Here's the honest checklist. 1. Care experience. This is the most important. Caregiver. Nurse assistant. Even caring for family. Yes, it counts. 2. Basic English. You need to communicate with patients. Nothing too complex. Just clear and simple English or French. 3. Willingness to work in care homes or homes. This is not office work. It's real care work. 4. Valid passport. No passport equals no movement. 5. Optional training. Short caregiving courses help a lot. They boost your chances fast. Guys. This pathway is not about certificates. It's about what you can do. Let me show you how to move smart. Step 1. Create a care-focused CV. Highlight. Patient care. Assistance experience. Any hospital or home care work. Keep it simple. Step 2. Apply directly to these companies. Go to their career pages. Apply role by role. Step 3. Use job platforms. Job Bank Canada. Indeed Canada. Search. Caregiver. Support worker. Personal support worker. Step 4. Secure an LMIA job offer. This is the golden ticket. It allows employers to legally hire you from outside Canada. Step 5. Apply for work permit. Once you get the offer, you move to visa stage. Step 6. Relocate and start working. You enter Canada as a worker. Earning in dollars. Building your future. Guys, let me be honest with you. If you are already in the care sector, and you ignore this, you're missing a life-changing opportunity. Comment below. Your country plus your care experience. Let's talk. If this helped you, like this video. Subscribe. Because I'll keep bringing you real, practical immigration pathways. And remember, care work might look small where you are. But in Canada, it can change your entire life.